Hello guys, my name is Raymond, and on today's video I'll be talking to you about a particular crypto coin that has all the features of exploding before the end of this year 2021. So if you would like to know about this token, I'll advise you to go ahead and subscribe on my channel. Turn on the notification bar so whenever I post a video, you'll get an email and then you can come and look at it. So guys, let's go straight to the point. But remember, this is not a financial advice. So before you go ahead to purchase this coin, I would advise you make your own research, your own further research, confirmations before you do that. So this is not a financial advice. Okay, let's go ahead. So guys, if you're just coming into crypto, you should know the relevance of coin market cap. But if you're already into crypto, then you should know how to use coin market cap already. But this is coin market cap. So see here. So I'm going to check out this coin on coin market cap, and then I will show you what this project is all about, and a similar project like this that made people millionaires overnight. So I would like you to pay attention to this video. Again, before I proceed, if you're new on my channel, just hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bar icon or bell, so whenever I post a new video, you get notified through your email, and then you can come and watch the video on here. So let's go straight to the point. If you come to market cap, the first thing you want to do is, I will first look at this coin or the similar project that did same thing that this particular coin has all the possibilities of doing. From last year, which was 2020, around November, this guy was still around 0.2, and then this year it went up to $140 per token. So this is the coin here, EXS. It's called Axel Infinity. So if you don't know, you might be wondering that, wow, why did this coin blow up like this? What happened? What is this project all about? And stuff like that. So if you look at the total supply, it is low. That is number one, right? It is low, very low. The maximum supply, this is it here. And then currently there is a circulating supply of over 60 million tokens out of 270 million tokens. That is number one thing that you should consider on this project. Now, over 23% of this coin is in circulation. You get? Now, looking at the market cap as well, the volume, sorry, you will see that it is very, very high, $560 million within the past 24 hours. Although it has dropped, but definitely it will go up. It went up to $150 per token. Look at the total diluted market cap and stuff like that. If we want to confirm the current market cap of this token, then let's just check it on PooCoin.app. PooCoin.app. So here, this is PooCoin.app. So what I did is I just copied the contract address of this token and I'll take it to PooCoin.app. So on PooCoin.app, I'm going to paste this link in this space here. Okay, don't worry. Let's use Dex tools. Okay, Dex tools. So Dex tools will be better. Launch app. So all this is just to prove to you that token that I'm going to mention to you guys later in this video, or by the end of this research, to do similar stuff to what Elon has done. So this is the first thing that you see. You see the first one here, you just click on it. Now this is Axel Infinity. As you see here, this token has over over 138,000 holders. That is one. Then if you look at total number of transactions, this is it, right? This is the market cap. This is the market cap again. So now, considering this coin as a point of reference to the coin that I'm going to show to you guys, if you come back to CoinMarketCap, and look at this coin, go to the website and look at what it's all about. It is tagged with an NFT. It's an NFT token. It's they have NFT marketplace collectible, and it's a gaming token. Do you understand? So the thing is, when you want to make money with crypto, you have to know what is currently trending so that you follow. So if you're able to know what is currently trending and then you follow it in the right way, then definitely you're going to break out and make the exact money that you've been looking for all through your life. So this is Axel, and Axel did the same thing that this particular coin that I'll be giving you in this video will do. Now look at this gaming interface. It is not looking very complex, but it's very simple. It's just like our 1990 kind of games and 2000 kind of games that we play, Sega and all that stuff. But in this type of gaming system, this coin, Axel Infinity, they have this platform. So when you play this game, you earn this Axel coin. So this is a way of mining at the same time. This is a way of reducing the supply. This is a way of placing a value on a particular token. So this token has a value, and then outside that, it has an NFT marketplace where you can buy stuffs that are being designed by artisans or people who are into building of NFT collectibles and stuff or drops. You understand? So now the coin that I want to show you now that we definitely do like Axel. By the way, let me show you what Axel Infinity was trading at within the past. Let's go to 3 months ago. So I think that's too small. So let's see, 1 year ago. So around yes. So here around May this year, which is 2021, this coin was still around $5, 5.7, so approximately $6. You understand? So still trading between $5, $3, $6 and stuff. You understand? So now from nowhere around August, then everything just started booming up. Boom, 18, 24, like that, went up to $150. For a $100 investment on Axel Infinity as of November last year, you will make nothing less than 140k in dollars. So guys, this crypto is indeed wonderful. So the thing is, you have to know what you want to do, and you have to be very, very careful. And also remember that this is not a financial advice, so you can always make your research, get your confirmation before you do anything. All right, so now let's check out Gala. So this is Gala here, and then right now this is the current price. This is the current price for Gala. It is just 0.0958. So with about like $500, you can purchase up to 4,000 of this token or something like that. 4,000. So or more, yeah. But this is the current rank for Gala as well. Axel right now is ranked 26th in the crypto space, but this one is currently ranked 219. That's number one. Then it is also available for the Binance Smart Chain. That's if you wish to buy with BNB, the 20, which is a smart chain BNB. You can as well use this contract. That is if you don't want to spend so much on gas fee. Then you can also look at the market here. Wow, what's happening? So right now there are over 66,000 people watching this token. Meanwhile, in Axel Infinity, let's see, in Axel Infinity we have wow, over 202,000 people watching. But you know you can't compel them. So definitely you just need to be patient. You need to know the right thing to do and stuff like that. So believe me, Axu is a very good project and you can consider making your further research and stuff like that. And also remember that this is not a financial advice. I'm just trying to share my own view of what I think. So you can go ahead and make your own research, confirmations, consultations before you take any actions. And if if you find this video informative or you find this video very useful to you, then you can like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. And from there, we can go. You can ask me questions in my comment box, and then I will reply and stuff like that. All right, thanks for watching. So I'll see you on my next video.